Okay, so for the fingerstyle arrangement of Carol of the Bells here, we're going to set our thumb up on the bass note, and then our fingers are going to rest on these smaller strings, and we'll pluck the melody with the fingers, and then the thumb will be used for whenever we see a new bass note added in. Like for example here, the first bar, we're going to go A and C together, and then B, C, A with the fingers. Then the next chord is G in the bass, so big string G, and then the C in the melody, so we pluck those two together. I got my thumb in middle, G, C, and then B, C, A. Then the next chord is F and C, so F here and C here, B, C, A. Then A and C together, B, C, A, G and C together, B, C, A. F and C together, B, C, A. Then the big E string with the thumb, and the C together, then B, C, A. Next line, F and C together, B, C, A and C together, B, C, A. F and C again, B, C, A, C, A. Now here, the bottom line, we're going to pluck the A bass on the first beat of every bar with the melody. So that'll be A and E together, hold, A and F sharp together, hold, A and G. So A is my A string, right? G together, and then F alone, E alone, the high A and the low A together, G alone, F alone, E alone. Yeah. Then the next page would be the low A and the high A, G, F, A and E together, E, D, C. Now D, the D string open, and the D melody, D, E, D, A thumb, A. Then the next line, big thumb, big E string, and I'm gonna pick the melody here with my fingers, E, F sharp, G sharp, all alone, melody, A, B, C. Now the E thumb, I'm going to play with the D, E, D, C, and then do it again, E and E together, so thumb and index finger here, F sharp alone, G sharp, A, B, C, and then when I get to the D, put the thumb in, E, D, C. Then bar 29, A and C together, thumb on A, thumb the F with the C, thumb the low E, thumb the D string this time, thumb the A string, thumb the A string, thumb the A string. Now it says no chord, so I'm not going to do any thumb. I might rest my thumb here, and then pick the melody. Now if we're to do the second ending, it's got the A bass again, then the melody E, D, E, A, and then you could put in the final A bass note to end it if you want by itself. Alright, have fun with the fingerstyle version of Carol of the Bells adding in the bass.